Hey guys, it's Sid from SVTperformance.com, and today we have a 2020 Ford Explorer ST model. And we've got a full review coming on later in the week, so definitely check out the front page of SVTperformance.com for that. And we've got a full features video we'll be posting later in the week as well, so go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Go ahead and hit the link below. We'd really appreciate that. That way you don't miss out on any of the content we post. But today I just want to show you sort of a weird feature I noticed that Ford has put on these Explorers. So if you notice in the back, we have dual quad exhaust, which looks pretty good. I mean, it makes this thing look pretty sporty. I like it. But they've got a weird feature to them. So if you look inside the exhaust pipe, let me get my shadow out of here. Look in the exhaust pipe right there. The exhaust doesn't actually exit out the end of the pipe. Might actually be able to see it better on this side. Yeah, you can see it's sort of a turn down welded in there. The exhaust exits out the bottom of the pipes. And I'm guessing they did this to keep the actual tips of the pipes looking a little cleaner. But yeah, I thought that was kind of a weird feature that Ford added in there. So, sort of like little turn downs on the ends of the tips. And you kind of really don't notice it until you start it up on a cold morning and you see the moisture vapor from the exhaust coming out the bottom of the tip. But that's just a weird little feature that Ford added to the ST. Like I said, we'll have a full video coming up later on in the week with a lot more detail on it. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick little look at this ride. Didn't get to spend much time with it, but we'll cover that later. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and check out SVTperformance.com for all the latest news, reviews, and information on your favorite Ford performance vehicles.